Hello my friends, welcome back. If you're stopping by for the first time, welcome to my happy home. If you've seen my last video, then you can probably guess what I'm going to show you in this video. I am going to create the buffalo check on this large Yankee Candle jar. For that I am going to be using this multi-purpose primer acrylic white paint. You guys, I've been loving all that buffalo check that's been going around here on YouTube. Unfortunately, here in the Netherlands we do not have buffalo check, so I decided to create my own. Here I am painting the jar completely white. For full coverage I gave it 2 coats of paint. Now the next step is to apply your painter's tape in vertical direction on your jar. And here I went ahead and painted the lid white as well, but I won't be using that after all. Since I am going to create the black buffalo check pattern, I am going to mix up my mid-tone gray. You guys, you can use any color that you like. Just keep in mind that you're going to need 3 shades of color. The lighter shade for your base, the mid-tone and then a darker tone. I am not sure if the camera is picking it up, but this is what it looks like. What I forgot to mention is that I removed every other piece of painter's tape because those sections are going to be painted in the mid-tone and everything that is still covered will remain white. After you have applied the mid-tone color, you can go ahead and remove the painter's tape. I waited till my paint was dry, but you can remove it when it's wet also. And this is what it looks like so far. If you do not want to create a buffalo check, you can always decide to leave it like this. The next step is to apply your painter's tape again. But this time I'm going to apply this in the horizontal direction instead of the vertical one. When you're done applying your tape, you can move forward by removing every other piece of tape. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the white parts. And as you can see, you are just creating an entire new mid-tone color line again. So if that works for you as well, you can just go ahead and paint the entire line in the mid-tone color. But I am just filling in the whites here. Now I am moving on to the final step with the painter's tape. I am taping off every white part in the vertical direction, and as you can see I have left the horizontal tape on the jar because now I am going to create the intersection that I am going to be needing for the final darker tone. Now I'm ready to apply my black paint. I'm going to do this at the intersection where the horizontal and the vertical mid-tone lines cross. I seem to have lost a piece of footage, but after you have applied your darkest tone, you can go ahead and remove every piece of painter's tape and then your pattern will be done. Now that my buffalo check jar is done, I am going to add this gray raffia and create a cute bow. And here's the end result. And this is how I have it styled right now in my kitchen, you guys. If you want to see how I created this display, I will leave a link of that video in the description box below. And this was my quick DIY. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Now don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section below, you guys. I love to hear your thoughts on this. So this is it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye!